order to make cinnamon infused vodka, you're going to need yourself an airtight sealable jar like this, and obviously some vodka. So you can obviously do this in any size batch you like. I tend to do this in half litres or a full bottle, depending on how much you think you're going to need and how much you're going to use it. Then obviously you just need to add in cinnamon sticks. You can obviously put 4 or 5 in for a batch like this, and you're going to have to seal this jar and then go and put it somewhere safe and out of the way. So best for this is like a pantry or an airing cupboard. If it's somewhere warmer, like an airing cupboard, this process will go quicker, but it's not actually necessary. You want to give this a light sort of shake, and then what I would do is I would put that away. You're going to need probably 5 to 7 days depending on how warm the place is, and I would go in every day, give it a little shake like that just to agitate it, and obviously after a few days you might want to start tasting that until you get to a level where you're happy. Like I said, normally for me that's 5 to 7 days, but you'll figure out your own formula. So all that remains after you've removed the cinnamon from your vodka is to filter it. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to use either a cheesecloth or in this case a coffee filter, and we're simply going to pour our cinnamon infused vodka into the filter, and it will pour through slowly into the container. And once you've done that, obviously it's your choice. You can either decant that into a sealable bottle and keep it, or you can put it back in the original bottle from the beginning. But of course make sure that you are labelling that bottle so that you don't confuse it with anything else. Obviously it will have a gold colour, so it won't look like the original vodka, but you may have more than one infusion on the go at one time, so just make sure you pop a label on there. So just make sure you pop a label on there and you are good to go.